Hello and welcome back. Last video I did the descaling process on Breville infuser. So this morning I'm going to show you guys how to do the cleaning cycle on the infuser. If you are new to the channel, my name is Hoon. Welcome. So let's get going. Make sure you have full tank of water on your water reservoir. Just make sure fill it all the way to the top. Next step is we have to change out the filter basket to a single shot basket. So right now I have double shot baskets here. Okay, just make sure, I like to use towel. Just grab it to the end, just yank it out. Sometimes it's hard to get it out, so you might want to do is grab another filter basket from the back of the tray, like so. Grab the end of the edge right there, grab it. You can take it out as well. So once you remove the filter baskets, go with the single shot baskets, something like this, okay, and pop it in, and put the rubber gasket inside, like so, okay, just like that. And next thing you want to do is, okay, most times they give you 2 sample tablets, like this. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use my Sivatsa cleaning tablets. I already opened this, so I'm just going to use this. Take the one tab out, put it right on the middle, just like that. And then just lock it in, like so. Now your portafilter is locked into your group head. Just make sure a small container for the water drip. And then just make sure machine is off. Okay, this is off. So here's what you need to do. Hold down the single and double cup button. Again, single and double. Hold it like this. And then hold down the power button for 3 seconds. And that's it. Now that cleaning light is cycling, blinking right now. And then we're just gonna wait until 3 beeps. You just heard a 3 beep noise. It wasn't that loud, but 3 beep noise, which means that indicates that all the cleaning cycle is over. So as you can see, even though this is a gently used machine, supposedly it really still has a lot of dirty back wash water there as well. So I mean, if you are buying a used machine, just make sure first thing you want to do is just do the descale and then cleaning cycle. Do not, just make sure to do that first. Okay, so everything's done. I bet you we have also, let me show you, all the backwash from water as well, like this. So, okay. So a lot of water is coming out, all the backwash. So make sure you clean the tray as well. So now you can make your delicious coffee in the morning. And if you have any questions or comment, please down below. And make sure follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, so now for my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to use this machine properly. Because even though this is entry level machine, but you know what, this is just like Barista Express. And it does make really, really great espresso shots. So stay tuned for that. And you guys are having a great day, and please be safe and see you next time.